Hello friends, welcome to Tricks. We all know that in the month of the February, government presents the annual financial statement or the budget, which is simply a money bill. So to understand that how a budget is passed, how it is presented, we must understand first how a bill becomes an act. So in this video, first we will understand the different stages of the bill, and then in the next video we will try to understand the specific characteristics of money bill. What is a bill? Bill is simply a legislation which becomes an act. For every new law, a bill is first introduced, which upon passing from both the houses becomes an act. Different stages of the bill. First of all, a bill is introduced in the house. Introduction. This is the first step. Introduction in any of the house. For money bill, introduction takes place only in Lok Sabha, while for ordinary bill, it takes place in either of the house. This introduction can be made by a minister, then it is called government's bill, or by a member of the parliament, then it is called a private member's bill or private bill. For introduction, the member in charge of the bill must seek leave of the house. This means he or she must seek the permission of the house for the introduction of the bill. After seeking this leave of the house, the bill is then published in the Gazette. And these two things, introduction and publication of bill in the Gazette, constitute the first reading. Sometimes it happens that with the permission of the speaker, the bill is first introduced in the Gazette, then it is introduced. And when it is already published in the Gazette, it does not need to seek the leave of the house. After these two steps, the bill is then sent to the standing committee. The standing committee scrutinizes the bill in details, reads the clauses of the bill. The committee can also take expert opinion or public opinion and then submits its report to the house. Then the stage comes for second reading. In the second reading, there are two stages. In the first stage, general discussion happens. In this general discussion, the bill taken into consideration, general principles of the bill and provisions are discussed. Then in the second stage, clause by clause discussion are held. In these two stages, any amendment proposed can be taken up and the bill takes its final shape. Then in the third stage, final arguments in support or rejection of the bill is taken up, and in this stage no amendment is further allowed, only oral amendments are taken up and the whole bill is put for the vote. And if the majority of the members present in voting accept the bill is regarded as passed by the house. Thereafter, the bill is authenticated by the presiding officer of the house and transmitted to the second house. And these all steps are again repeated in the second house. Only difference between the ordinary bill and the money bill is that the powers of Rajya Sabha differ in two respects, that money bill cannot be introduced in Rajya Sabha and Rajya Sabha has no power over the amendments in the money bill. However, I will discuss in detail the provisions of the money bill in the next video. I hope you understood all the stages. Hope you like this video. Give a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe the channel.